For the repair of the Gravner Mark 6 oil mist detector heads, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, the heads are connected to the oil mist detector unit, and then we simulate the oil mist with some smoke detector spray sprayed on the head's path. Apart from hearing the alarm, we can also see the relevant indicator lights on both the head and the unit, as well as the message on the screen. The same process is repeated for the second head. For the third head, and as well as the fourth. It is now clear that all four heads are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.